In this question, you have to choose the option that includes set of statements that forms the basis of Mendel's law of dominance. Statement A: out of one pair of factors, one is dominant and the other is recessive. Now, this is true in context of Mendel's law of dominance, which states that in a heterozygous condition, the dominant allele masks the expression of the recessive allele. B. Alleles do not show any expression and both the characters appear as such in F2 generation. Now, this is not true in context of Mendel's law of dominance because this statement does not directly relate to it. Rather, it refers more to the law of segregation, where recessive traits reappear in F2 due to segregation and not dominance. C. Factors occur in pairs in normal diploid plants. Now, this is also consistent with Mendel's findings that traits are controlled by pair of factors. Now we know them to be alleles in diploid organisms. D. The discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. Now, this is also true because Mendel referred to the controlling units as factors, which we now call genes. E. The expression of only one of the parental characters is found in a monohybrid cross. Now, this is also true in context of Mendel's law of dominance, where only the dominant trait is expressed in the F1 generation of a monohybrid cross. Thus, statements A, C, D, and E are true in context of Mendel's law of dominance. Hence, the correct answer is option D.